Hi! In this video, I will show you how to add text in Canva. To start, click on Create Design. Choose here what kind of template you're using. So here, I'll just customize my page. Let's say 8 by 11 inches. And click on New Design. So here's our blank page. To put some text to it, click Text on the left side of your screen. You can add text box, which you can drag and place anywhere on your page. You can also add brand fonts here, which is available in Canva Pro. These are the default text styles in Canva: heading, subheading, and a little bit of body text. You can drag around your text by clicking on the text and dragging the cross icon here. You can also rotate your text by clicking on the text you want to rotate and drag it in what way you want it to be rotated. You can also choose different font combinations right here. Some of these can be used in Canva Pro, and some can be used already in free versions. You can resize it by dragging its edges. By highlighting the text, you can also change its font, color, make it bold, italicized, underlined, and make it upper or lower case. You can also adjust the alignment, making a list, or adjust the spacing. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!